Hello children, this is your teacher Reg. Today we're going to talk about subtraction. But if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to my channel so that you will be updated to my new videos. Let us start learning. What is subtraction? Subtraction is taking away one object from another set of objects. We have here an example. 2 apples minus 1 apple equals 1 apple. In here, the main one is the 2 apples, which is being subtracted from, while the subtrahend is the 1 apple being subtracted to 2 apples. And the difference is the result after subtracting the 2 apples minus the 1 apple. We have here another examples. 4 candies minus 2 candies equals 2 candies. 5 pencils minus 3 pencils equals 2 pencils. Now children, it's your turn to answer the following problems. Time's up. 7 minus 3 equals 4. Pencils up. 5 minus 2 equals 3. Time's up. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Pencils up. 9 minus 5 equals 4. Time's up. 10 minus 5 equals 5. Good job, children. I hope you have learned a lot. Thank you for learning subtraction today, children. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe and share it to your friends. See ya!